I know you've heard the saying, when it comes to real estate, location, location, location is everything, but there is a caveat to that, and that is price tag, price tag, price tag. The property you're seeing on your screen now has the best of both worlds. It's listed at $175,000, and if you compare it to a price versus value standpoint and you look at the local Lexington, Tennessee real estate market, you'll quickly realize you get a lot of value for the price of this house. This property has a new roof, new flooring throughout, an updated kitchen, and updated fixtures. It's 1,344 square feet according to the tax card. It sits on 1.2 acres of land, and it has a storm shelter. It features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Location-wise, this home sits just outside of Lexington, Tennessee. It's located on 85 Skelton Lane. If you go to the end of Skelton Lane where it meets Oak Grove Road, you can turn to the left and be back on Highway 412 in just a couple of minutes. If you turn to the right, there are several back roads that will lead you into different parts of the town of Lexington. If you go all the way to the end of Oak Grove Road, it turns into Alberton Road, which ends just outside of Natchez Trace State Park. Skelton Lane is a quiet, dead-end street, and there are several different lakes that are just a short drive away from this home. If you or someone you know may be interested in this property, give me a call or shoot me a text at the number you see on your screen. This area right here is just behind the carport. There's a little path cut out here, and you're going to see if you walk down this path, this is where you will find the storm shelter. The back of the house, that is a new deck there. The deck is painted black along with the back door that really goes and matches the roof. And now we'll enter into the front door. Once you enter into the front door, to the right you have your kitchen, and straight in front of you is the living area. If you notice, all the trim on the ceilings has been painted black to go along with the black fixtures, and it also goes really well with what you're about to see, the updated kitchen with black cabinetry, butcher block countertops, and off the kitchen is the utility room, where you will find your washer and dryer hookups as well as the hot water heater. Back through the kitchen, and into the master bedroom. One thing you're going to notice about this property is the trim. Notice all the doors and windows have the farm style trim, where the top and bottom has a little bit of overhang than the sides. And this is the master closet. We're going to give you another shot of that trim here in just a second of the window. This is also in the master bedroom, but the whole house has this trim throughout. Off the master bedroom, this is our master bathroom with updated fixtures in here as well. And we will backtrack through the living area. And get into our first guest bedroom. Again, you'll notice that same trim, and this room has a window looking out into the front yard. Next, we have our guest bathroom. Has a light just above the vanity for those trying to get ready, they can see a little better. And finally, we have our last guest bedroom. And again, guys, if you or someone you know may be interested in this property, I don't want you to miss out on it. So my number's on the screen. Give me a call or shoot me a text, and let's see if we can do everything we can do to make this home yours for you and your family. With such an attractive price tag, this home will be great for so many people, whether it's a starter home for someone, or if it's someone wanting to retire with a quiet place to live, or if it's a family that's growing and needs a yard for their kids to play in. and wants to be close to town but not in town. This home can fit a lot of needs for a lot of people. So if you're one of those people, my number's on the screen. Reach out to me and we'll do everything we can to make this home your new home.